Hello, I'm Edward Tarte, math teacher. This is another in a series of solution videos for some of my math challenges. This video is about my addition challenge. And here is how I presented that challenge in the original video. This is an addition problem. Each letter stands for a digit. The same letter stands for the same digit throughout the puzzle, and different letters stand for different digits. The puzzle is to determine the correct addition problem, and there is only one correct solution. Here's my solution. This E must be a 1 because the total in the A plus E column could not possibly be as large as 20. And since this E is 1, by the rules of this challenge, this E is 1 also. That means A must be 8 or 9. It could not possibly be 7 or less because, for example, if it were 7, you could not get a total in the teens, a total 1 something. So A must be 8 or 9. And in either event, F can't be 1 because it's already used. So F has to be 0. And that means this F also has to be 0. And because this F is 0, we cannot have anything carried from this column over to the A plus E column. And that means A can't be 8, A must be 9. So in this column, in the B plus F column, there must be 1 carried over from the C plus G column because B and C are not the same numeral. We're adding 0, so C must be 1 greater than B. So I'm going to write C equals B plus 1. So with C being 1 bigger than B, we look in the C plus G column. This works if G is 9. For example, 3 plus 9 equals 12. Put down the 2. 3 and 2. But G can't be 9 because A is 9. The only other number that works for G is 8. If C would be 3, 3 plus 8 is 11, and you'd have to have 1 carried over from the D plus B column to make this a 2. So since G can't be 9, G has to be 8. So let's focus on what B might represent. Could B represent 7? No, because if B is 7, C is 8, and 8's already been assigned to G. So B can't be 7. So the possibilities as of now for B are 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Let's imagine that B is 2. I've put this possibility in parentheses. If B is 2, C is 3, so C is 3 here. 3 plus 8 plus 1 carried from here makes 12, so B is 2, but this B is 2. Now we have to have this D plus B column such that we will carry 1 to the C plus G column. That means D has to be either 8 or 9, and both of those are taken. So that's a contradiction. So it's impossible for B to equal 2. So let's imagine that B is 3. So I've put that possibility that B is 3 in parentheses. B is 3, C is 1 more, that's 4, so here C is 4. 4 plus 8 plus the 1 carried from the DB column makes 13, put down the 3. But this means this B is 3. Again, we have to be able to carry 1 from the D plus B column. D might be 7, but that makes H 0. 0 is already taken, so that's not possible. If D is 8, H is 1. 1's already taken. If D is 9, D can't be 9 because 9's already taken. So this is a contradiction. B cannot equal 3. Well, now let's suppose that B is 4. I've put that possibility in parentheses. Coming over to the D plus B column, again, we have to be able to carry 1 from this column over to the C plus G column. If D were 6, H is 0. 0 is already taken. If D were 7, H would be 1. 1's already taken. D can't be 8. 8's already taken. And D can't be 9. 9's already taken. So it's not possible for B to equal 4. The only alternatives we haven't tried yet are 5 and 6. I'm going to try 6 next. If B is 6, I put the possibilities in that possibility in parentheses. Again, looking at the D plus B column, this column has to add up to 10 or more. If D is 4, H is 0, but 0 is already used, so that's not possible. If D is 5, H is 1, but 1's already used. D can't be 6 because we're supposing that B is 6. If D is 7, well, D can't be 7 because C is 7. And D can't be 8 or 9, so B can't be 6 either. So the only other alternative that we haven't tried yet for B is 5. And if this challenge is to have any solution at all, 5 had better work. So let's try 5 for B. So I put 5 in for B. That means C is 6. And now in this column has to add up to 10 or more. Well, D can't be 5 because B is 5. D can't be 6 because C is 6. D can't be 8 or 9 because they're already assigned. But what about 7? If D is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12. That makes H to be 2. Carry the 1 to the C plus G column. And now everything works. So this is the one and only solution to my addition challenge. Thank you for watching this solution video.